Hello student, welcome to today's chemistry lecture, alcohols, phenols and ether. Now student, in last video lecture we have to see what is the meaning of alcohols, what are the classification of alcohols and the nomenclature of alcohols in details. Okay, now student, in today's lecture we are going to discuss the nomenclature of phenols. Generally, phenols are the hydroxyl derivative of benzene. Means benzene मधला एक हायड्रोजन हा रिप्लेस केला जातो हायड्रॉक्सिल ग्रुपनं, so it forms the phenols. Now, in case of a nomenclature of phenols, we write the common name and the IUPAC names. These common names also accepted by the IUPAC name system. So, some of the compounds have common names and IUPAC names are the same. So, let's see the nomenclature of phenols. First one compound is here benzene. It attaches to the hydroxyl group. Benzene ला hydroxyl group attach झालेला आहे. What is the name of common name? Its a common name is phenol. What is the common name? Phenol. In case of IUPAC name, this ring is the benzene, and in that benzene E replaced by the suffix OL. So, its IUPAC name is benzanol. Its IUPAC name is benzanol. Now, this phenol name is also accepted by the IUPAC system. So, we can write here IUPAC name of this structure is phenol or the benzanol. Okay. Next one, benzene ring. It attaches to the one hydroxyl group and one methyl group at position कार्बन नंबर 2. एक मिथिल ग्रुप बेन्झीन मध्ये कार्बन नंबर 2 च्या पोझिशनला प्रेझेंट आहे. सो दिस स्ट्रक्चर इज द डाय सबस्टिट्यूटेड बेन्झीन, की ज्याच्यामध्ये आपण डाय सबस्टिट्यूटेड असतील तर त्याचे 3 आयसोमर पाहतो, आर्थो, मेटा, पॅरा. when the two substituent present at the benzene ring at position carbon number 1 and 2, then this isomer is known as the artho isomer. When these two substituents are present at carbon number 1 and 3, then this isomer is known as the meta isomer. When these two substituents present at the position carbon number 1 and 4, so this isomer is known as the para isomer. So, this one is the artho isomer. Its a common name is arthocresol. Arthocresol is the common name. What is the IUPAC name? So, when we write the IUPAC name of this system, to write its a numbering. OH present at carbon, this carbon gives the position number 1, here 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. So, in this structure, one methyl group is a substituent present at a carbon number 2. So, its name is 2-methyl phenol. What is the name? 2-methyl phenol is the IUPAC name of the compound. So, arthocresol is the common name and 2-methyl phenol is the IUPAC name. Next structure is here para-nitrophenol or benzene ring. It attaches to the one nitro group, second one is the again NO2 group. Now this one is again di-substituted benzene. So this one is the isomer of di-substituted benzene. Two substituent present at position carbon number 1 and carbon number 4. So this one is the para isomer. How many substituent present here? 2. So here this one is the para nitrophenol. In case of this structure, there is 2 substituent and these are the same. So we can use the terminology di. So its name is para Para-dinitrophenol is the common name. Para-dinitrophenol is the common name. What about its IUPAC name? So, write its numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, second NO2 group present at carbon number 4. So, we write its a common IUPAC name 1,4-dinitrobenzene. What is the common IUPAC name of that compound? 1,4-nitrophenol or simply 4-nitrophenol. 4-nitrophenol is the IUPAC name. 4 नंबरच्या कार्बनला आहे म्हणून काय म्हटलं आपण 4-nitrophenol. So here 1,4-dinitrophenol. Okay, this one is the structure number 3. Fourth one, next structure catechol. Next structure आहे बघा. Catechol means 2 hydroxyl group attaches to the benzene ring nearest carbon atom. म्हणजे बेन्झीन रिंग मध्ये 2 सेम हायड्रॉक्सिल ग्रुप ॲडजेसंट कार्बनला कनेक्ट असतील तर त्याला काय म्हटलं जातं कॅटेचोल असं म्हटलं जातं. काय म्हटलं जातं बघा कॅटेचोल. When we write its IUPAC name, then numbering the carbon from that end which is near to the substituent or the functional group. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So benzene 1,2-diol. What is the IUPAC name? Benzene 1,2-diol is its IUPAC name. Benzene. Now student here E again written here 1,2-diol. या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये जर पाहिलं तुम्ही तर बेन्झीन मधला ई जो काही आहे तो आपण रिटर्न तसाच लिहिलाय, त्याला रिप्लेस केलेला नाही, कारण या स्ट्रक्चर मध्ये सेम फंक्शनल ग्रुप रिपीट झालेला आहे आणि ज्यावेळी स्ट्रक्चर मध्ये सेम फंक्शनल ग्रुप रिपीट झालेला असतो त्यावेळी आपण पॅरेंट अल्केन मधला ई रिटर्न तसाच लिहितो. तो जो काही फंक्शनल ग्रुप आहे कोणकोणत्या कार्बनला आहे तो या ठिकाणी मेन्शन करायचा आहे. How many times it repeats in the structure? So 2. So here di prefix is used here OL. So its name is benzene 1,2-diol. It is a IUPAC name. Okay. Next structure benzene ring. It attaches the 2 hydroxyl group at position 1 and 3. So here OH group, here OH group. OH group जर आपण पाहिले तर या ठिकाणी ते 1 आणि 3 पोझिशनला आहेत. When the hydroxyl group present and 1 and 3, then its a common name is resorcinol. ज्यावेळी बेन्झीन रिंगला 2 हायड्रॉक्सिल ग्रुप 1 आणि 3 किंवा मेटा पोझिशनला प्रेझेंट असतील त्यावेळी त्यांना रेसॉर्सिनॉल असं म्हटलं जातं. When these 2 functional group when present at carbon number 1 and 2, then this structure is known as the catechol. म्हणजे या स्ट्रक्चरला तुम्ही कॅटेचोल म्हणणार आहात आणि याला काय म्हणायचे रेसॉर्सिनॉल. म्हणजेच हायड्रॉक्सिल ग्रुपच्या पोझिशनवरती त्यांचा IUPAC किंवा कॉमन नेम हे डिपेंड असतं. OH ग्रुप 2 OH ग्रुप किंवा 2 हायड्रॉक्सिल ग्रुप बेन्झीनमध्ये 1-2 पोझिशनला असतील तर त्यांना आपण कॅटेचोल असं म्हटलं जातं. तेच 2 हायड्रॉक्सिल ग्रुप बेन्झीन रिंगमध्ये 1-3 किंवा मेटा पोझिशनला असतील तर त्या ठिकाणी त्यांना रेसॉर्सिनॉल असे या ठिकाणी म्हटलं जातं. ओके. सो इट्स अ कॉमन नेम इज resorcinol. What is the IUPAC name? So when we write the IUPAC name, first of all give its numbering. So numbering start from that carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this benzene ring, hydroxyl group present at carbon number 1 and carbon number 3. So when we write the IUPAC name, first of all write the parent hydrocarbon, and that parent hydrocarbon E replaced by the functional group. But in this structure, functional group repeat 2 times. So that's why this parent carbon E does not replace by any functional group. Okay, so before this benzene, write at what position functional group present in this structure, carbon number 1 and 3. So here write the 1, 3. How many times present in this structure? 2 times. So here we can write the terminology di. Which functional group is present? Alcohol. So when alcohol group present as a functional group, then write the suffix OL. So its name is benzene 1,3-diol is its IUPAC name. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी याचं IUPAC नेम काय लिहिणार आहात तुम्ही? बेन्झीन 1,3-डायॉल. कोणताही फंक्शनल ग्रुप स्ट्रक्चरमध्ये रिपीट झालेला असेल, सेम फंक्शनल ग्रुप, त्यावेळी पॅरेंट हायड्रोकार्बन मधला ई रिटर्न तसाच लिहायचा आहे, तो रिप्लेस करायचा नाही. हे या ठिकाणी आपल्याला लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल, स्ट्रक्चर नंबर 6. Structure number 6. 6 OH group, here OH group. Now in this case OH group present at carbon number 1, 2. In this structure OH group present at 1, 3 position, that is para and meta, and in this structure OH group present at para position. So this one is the hydroquinone. What is the common name? Hydroquinone. पुन्हा एकदा पहा, हायड्रॉक्सिल ग्रुप 1, 2 पोझिशनला असतील तर कॅटेचोल, 1, 3 पोझिशनला असतील तर रेसॉर्सिनॉल, आणि 1, 4 पोझिशनला असतील तर हायड्रोक्विनोन असे या ठिकाणी म्हटलं जातं. When we write the IUPAC name, use the same rules. So what is the parent hydrocarbon? Benzene. OH group present at carbon number 1 and 4, and here diol. So benzene 1,4-diol is its IUPAC name. Then next one, structure number 7, benzene ring, OH group present at carbon number 1, 3, 5. Okay, 1, 3 and 5. So IUPAC, common name is fluoroglucanol. Fluoroglucanol. This common name written by its origin or the historical background. कॉमन नेम लिहिताना त्याचं ओरिजिन किंवा हिस्टॉरिकल बॅकग्राऊंड पाहिलं जातं आणि त्याच्यानुसार हे नेम्स दिले जातात. So when we write its IUPAC name, again use the rule 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So its IUPAC name is benzene 1, 3, 5. When we write the IUPAC name, number can be separated by the comma and number and word can be separated by the hyphen. So here how many times OH group present in this structure? 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So we can use the terminology tri. Functional group is the alcohol. So suffix is used triol. So its IUPAC name is benzene 1, 3, 5 triol. Means here these are the isomers. 1, 2, 3, 4 are the isomers of 1, 2 and 3. These are the isomers of di-substituted benzene. हे जे काही 3 स्ट्रक्चर आहेत, this one and this one, these are the isomers of di-substituted benzene. Okay, next one structure, And the last, from the nomenclature of phenol, benzene ring, OH group, here again OH, here again OH. Okay, when we write the IUPAC name, so first of all write the parent hydrocarbon benzene. Numbering start from 1, 2, 3. Numbering देत असताना lowest combination झालं पाहिजे. So when we write either clockwise direction or the anti-clockwise direction. Suppose we can start numbering from that carbon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this carbon gives 6 and this carbon gives 3 number. So when write the numbering from that carbon, so it gives the lowest combination of hydroxyl group. So you use the lowest combination side. So here we can write the numbering from that side. Carbon number 1, 2 and 3. So benzene 1, 2, 3 triol is the IUPAC name. Okay. In this way we can write the IUPAC name of the phenols. These are the some examples of the phenols. For homework we write the some examples. Homework साठी काही examples घ्यायचे पहा. CH2OH, first one. Second one, CH2OH. Okay, only 2 structure for the homeworks. Okay, so these are the nomenclature of phenols. Then we can see the preparation methods of alcohols and phenols. Then let's see the preparation method of alcohols and the phenols. Generally, these methods are already discussed in 11th standard. So here we can only or we will only revise it. ह्या ज्या प्रिपरेशन मेथड आपण या ठिकाणी पाहतोय त्या ऑलरेडी तुम्हाला 11th स्टँडर्ड मध्ये झालेल्या आहेत. सो हियर प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अल्कोहोल्स अँड फेनॉल वन बाय वन पाहणार आहोत. सगळ्यात सुरुवातीला पाहू आपण प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अल्कोहोल फ्रॉम alkyl halide. First one, preparation of alcohol from alkyl halide. First method है how to prepare alcohol from alkyl halide. Alkyl halide चं conversion alcohol मध्ये कसं करायचं. Okay, so when alkyl halide react with aqueous sodium hydroxide or the potassium hydroxide, it gives the alcohol. This one is the very simple reaction. First of all, write the general reaction. Alkyl halide represented as Rx react with aqueous. This state is very important. Aqueous sodium hydroxide or either potassium hydroxide. या ठिकाणी हा जो aqueous word आहे तो फार महत्त्वाचा आहे. ज्यावेळी आपण aqueous कंडिशन मेंटेन करणार आहोत त्यावेळी आपल्याला अल्कोहोल प्रिपेअर होणार आहे. अल्कोहोलिक वापरली तर अल्किन तयार होणार आहे. त्यामुळे aqueous कंडिशन हे महत्त्वाचं आहे आणि आपल्याला रिॲक्शन लिहिताना ते त्या ठिकाणी मेन्शन करणं गरजेचं आहे. ओके, so when alkyl halide react with aqueous sodium hydroxide or the potassium hydroxide, it gives the alcohol. Simply this halide is replaced by the active ion hydroxyl group, so it gives ROH plus NaX. In this way we can prepare the alcohol. This one is the general reaction. So let's see the example. First one, ethyl chloride. What is ethyl chloride? react with aqueous sodium hydroxide, heat it. Okay, this one is the ethyl chloride. React with sodium hydroxide. It undergoes the nucleophilic substitution reaction. So this Cl replaced by the OH means nucleophile. So it forms the ethyl alcohol, CH2OH plus sodium chloride as a byproduct. This one is the main product. What is the name of this compound? Ethyl alcohol is the common name and IUPAC name. So first of all, select the longest chain, ethane oil at number 1. So ethane 1 oil is the IUPAC name of that compound. Okay student, in today's lecture we will discuss only preparation method from alkyl halide. Remaining method of preparation of alcohol will be discussed in next video lecture. Thank you.